Hello viewers. So today I am making a video of Amazon's jewelry spot welder manual. So there it is. Let's see. The company name is Jinhuo, I believe. So let's see. This is front side. Jinhuo. Focus. Yes. So this is first page. Chinese language and English language. Ignore this one, the sixth point. It is not the lens is not in this spot welder. It is for the some magnifying glass or something. You could pause the video to read it properly. So this is a second page. Yes. Let's zoom in, bring it closer so that you could read it. Focus, focus. Yes. This is a magnifying unit which maybe they sell separately. So the 0.6 of the magnifying glass is for this one, not for the spot welder. Next page. Yes. My welder is, by the way, 220 volt. Okay, next page. Yes, focus. Yes. Focus. First I made a video, and that was the manual was placed on the table and I was just flipping the pages, and when I saw the video, so it was not clearly readable because of the reflection of light on it. So yeah, there we go. So again, the lens not of welder. Here we go.